This isn't just a neighborhood, and it's definitely not just a golf course. Living in the Bel Air Country Club is stepping into one of the most exclusive lifestyles in the world, where privacy, prestige, and quiet luxury come together in a way that very few places can match. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into what it's really like to live in and around the Bel Air Country Club, one of Los Angeles's most iconic private enclaves. Established in 1926, the Bel Air Country Club isn't just a recreational space, it's a legacy. Built as part of a grand vision to create an elite residential community, the club has remained invitation only, with a reputation for exclusivity that has lasted nearly a century. And that exclusivity, it defines everything about life here. Imagine waking up in a multi-million-dollar estate, stepping onto your balcony, and overlooking perfectly manicured fairways that stretch across rolling canyon landscapes. Homes here aren't just houses, they're architectural statements. Some sit directly along the golf course, offering views that feel more like a private resort than a neighborhood. But here's the thing, this lifestyle isn't about showing off, it's about staying hidden. Bel Air itself is known for its privacy. Tucked into the hills of Los Angeles, it offers a level of seclusion that's rare in a major city. Residents enjoy quiet, winding roads, gated estates, and a sense of calm that feels worlds away from the chaos of LA, even though you're just minutes from it, and that's what makes living near the country club so unique. You're in the middle of everything, yet completely removed from it. Life here revolves around the club. The Bel Air Country Club offers an 18-hole championship golf course, tennis facilities, and a highly curated social environment. But access isn't easy. Membership is private, highly selective, and often built on connections rather than just wealth. It's not just about having money, it's about being part of a certain circle. Now let's talk about the homes. We're talking massive estates with resort-style pools, indoor-outdoor living spaces, private gyms, and sometimes even spa facilities. Some properties near the club easily exceed tens of millions of dollars, with features designed for both comfort and entertainment at the highest level. And yet, despite all that luxury, there's a surprising sense of peace here. Bel Air sits within the Santa Monica Mountains, which means residents are surrounded by natural beauty, lush greenery, canyon views, and scenic drives like Mulholland that offer breathtaking vistas of Los Angeles. It's not uncommon to feel like you're living in a private retreat rather than one of the most famous cities in the world. But let's be real for a second. This lifestyle isn't for everyone. Living here can feel isolated. There are no busy sidewalks, no walkable cafes on every corner. It's quiet. Sometimes too quiet. Social life tends to revolve around private gatherings, the country club, or exclusive events. And of course, there's the price. Homes here are among the most expensive in Los Angeles, and maintaining that level of luxury comes with significant costs, not just financially, but socially as well. So what's the takeaway? Living in the Bel Air Country Club isn't just about luxury. It's about access, privacy, and a lifestyle that prioritizes exclusivity above all else. It's where business leaders, celebrities, and elite professionals come not just to live, but to disconnect from the world while still being at its center. For some, it's the ultimate dream. For others, it might feel like a beautiful bubble. Either way, there's no denying it. Life at the Bel Air Country Club is in a league of its own.